Okay, so we learnt how does heat is transferred through metals or solids. How is heat transferred through solids and through fluids. That means fluids means what? Anything which flow. Okay, what are the states which are flowing? Air and water. So through solids heat is transferred through the process conduction. Water air heat is transferred by the process of convection. Okay, so both these process in order the heat flow to transfer by the process of convection and conduction, a medium is required. Okay, suppose heat is to be transferred through air. Okay, air is needed. Air is a medium. Medium is needed. Okay, suppose heat is to be transferred through water, but that water is needed. So in both case, convection and conduction, the medium is required. Medium means anything: desk, bench, water, air, glass, okay, wall, board, anything is called what? Medium. So the heat needs medium in order to pass, in order heat to pass through water and gases, or liquid and gases. Okay, so heat needs medium to transfer through liquids and gases, or otherwise we can say that both convection and conduction needs medium. Okay, need medium. So let's check. There is another process by which heat is transferred from one place to another place. Okay, let us check what is the another process, okay, through which heat is transferred from a place to another place. Suppose, okay, during the daytime, when we are going in the ground, when we are walking in the ground, what will happen that after some times we will be heated, our body will be heated. So what is the reason? The reason is that the heat energy is coming from sun. Okay, so how does heat energy travel or transfer from sun to the earth? Okay, so there is no any medium, there is no anything around the sun. Okay, the atmosphere of sun or the space, most of the place between earth and the sun is empty. Empty means there is nothing. Okay, the space between, suppose this is sun and this is earth. Okay, so there is atmosphere. Atmosphere means air around the earth. Okay, but most of the space between sun and this is empty space, so that we can say this space is air, this is air and this is air surrounded by the earth. But this space is what? There is nothing in this space. Okay, there is nothing, or there is any medium. There is no air in between or in this space. So that we can say most of the space, most of the place in between sun and earth is free space, is free. Okay, most of the place or most of the space in between earth and sun is free or is empty. Okay, then how does the heat is traveled from sun to earth atmosphere, earth? Okay, how does heat travel or transfer from sun to earth atmosphere? Because there is no space between earth and the sun. Even though there is no space, but heat travels from sun to earth. How does it happen? Okay, so there is another process by which heat transfer from one place to another place. Okay, if there is no space, if there is no medium, if there is anything, then heat transfer from one place to another place. Okay, through the process, that process is called what? Radiation. Okay, so that heat is traveled from sun to earth atmosphere. Okay, through empty space by the process of radiation. So radiation is the process which does not require what? Medium. Medium means air, water, anything, metal, anything, wall, anything. So there is nothing in this space. There is nothing in this space, even though the heat transfer from sun to earth. Okay, and which process? This process is called what? Radiation. So what may be radiation? Radiation is a process which does not require, okay, which does not require medium. Okay, if there is no any medium, then heat transfer by the process of radiation. Okay, so radiation is another process if there is no medium. Okay, through this process, heat travels from one place to another place. Okay, so conduction, okay, heat travels through solids by the process of conduction. Heat travels through fluids, that is liquids and gases, by the process of convection. Heat transfer or travels through empty space by the process of radiation. Okay, so even though most of the place between sun and the earth is free, then heat travels from sun to earth. Okay, and through the process, that process is called what? Radiation. So radiation is a process through which heat transfer from one place to another place. Okay, even though there is no space. Okay, even though there is no space. So radiation occurs through empty space. Through empty space. Okay, even though there is place, even though there is medium, radiation occurs. Okay, but radiation is usually, or if there is no medium, the light travels from one place to another place, and this process is called what? Radiation. This process is called what? Radiation. Okay, if there is a free space, but heat travels in that space, heat travels from one place to another place. by the process of radiation. Conduction requires medium, convection requires medium, but radiation does not require medium. Radiation occurs in both medium and free space. Okay, radiation occurs in both medium and free space, but the radiation does not require any medium to pass. Okay, so this is a third process or another process by which heat transfer from one place to another place. Okay, thank you.